Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and spooky and scary strawberry jello for Halloween that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Water, and of course you could add cups or glass, or you decide where you're gonna do your presentation of this delicious jello and spooky jello. So let's get started. I want to start first here with the hot water. I'm going to add 3 cups of very hot boiling water. You want to make sure that the water is really hot so the jello dissolves completely, especially on the portion on the bottom. I have the strawberry jello. I'm using the Gotti, but of course you could use the brand you have at home or the one that you are used to using. Here I'm adding 1 whole package of the jello mixture, and I am going to whisk very good for about 2 to 3 minutes, just making sure that everything is completely dissolved. This part is very important because the water needs to be very hot so that the jello dissolves completely. Look at this. Make sure that you whisk it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once this is completely done, you're gonna go ahead and continue with the next step. But this step is very important. Okay, this is done. I'm going to reserve it, and here I'm gonna add my mold, which I'm going to add a little drop of vegetable oil. You're gonna be thinking, why vegetable oil? You know something? I'm helping myself with the napkin, and I'm gonna just rub the 1 drop of vegetable oil all around the pan so that when the jello is nice and firm, it doesn't stick to the mold. This part is important because you don't want to put your jello in here, and then when you're ready to get it out, it sticks on the bottom, all on the sides, and that's exactly what you don't want. This is a tip that I'm giving you that it's going to help you release the jello when the jello is completely done. Well, now I'm adding the strawberry jello. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about half an hour, and then I'll see you when it's completely done. Look at this. Of course that it's nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead, put it in the refrigerator, and I'll see you back in half an hour. Half an hour has passed, and the jello it's nice and firm, and now I'm ready to start slicing it very carefully and very thinly. You wanna make sure that you slice it this way, and then you turn your pan around and you slice it the opposite way so that you get perfect small little squares. Of course, that after you're done slicing the jello, then it's time to invite the kids you have at home, your children, the little ones you have at home, to come and help you and prepare this delicious jello. Look at this. When you start slicing it the opposite way, you could see the little pieces of jello popping up. That means that they're not going to stick at all to the middle bowl. Look at this. Look how easy it is to pull it apart, to get all those little pieces from the edges, and of course the jello is not sticking at all. Okay, look how beautiful this is. The little squares look so nice. Well, now I am ready to prepare it. But let me show you the little eyes. They are made of Jello, like a little sugary texture. Remember, when you're making these Jellos, try to use everything that it's edible. You don't want to have an accident and add an eye of plastic, and then the kids come around and they want to enjoy them. Just make sure that when you're preparing Jellos or any kind of food, that everything is edible. Now I'm ready to start preparing my little glasses like that with a lot of Jello on the top, and then I'm going to be adding the eyeballs just like that. Of course, that you could decorate it however you want, but this is a perfect decoration for Halloween. You know, Halloween is just around the corner, and if you have kids at home, bring them in the kitchen. Have them help you decorate your Jellos, your cakes, so that they love the kitchen just like I loved it. You know something? When I was small, my mom used to put me in the kitchen and say, come and help me. And I would go and I would learn how to do Jellos, how to do cakes. Well, you know something? I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. Strawberry Jello with little eyes. You know something? This Jello is perfect for Halloween. If you have little ones at home, invite them to the kitchen. Have them help you make this delicious and amazing Jello. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. And of course, I need to taste one of these eyes. Let's see how this tastes. Excuse me. Amazing. I hope, my friends, you can make it at home. Enjoy it with your family like I enjoy it with my family. If you like and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious strawberry jello with lots of ice. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.